Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to make powdered sugar. Measure out half the amount of powdered sugar you'll be needing. Half a cup of regular sugar will produce 1 cup of powdered sugar. Pour sugar into a high-powered blender. If using, add cornstarch. Blend on high until sugar is fine and fluffy, about 30 seconds. The 5th of August 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Directions. Whisk milk into flour in small saucepan until smooth. Heat and stir until it boils and thickens. Cool thoroughly. Advertisement. Cream butter, sugar and vanilla in bowl until light and fluffy. Add thickened milk. Beat until mixture resembles whipped cream.
Take our lead.
Well, simply put, powdered sugar and confectioner's sugar, icing sugar, and 10x, they're all the same, is granulated white sugar that's been pulverized to a powder and mixed with a small but mighty amount of cornstarch. 6 December 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.